Hi guys, welcome to week 7 of our YouTube Money Made Easy course. Today we'll be talking about thumbnails and CTR hacks. What is a thumbnail? How to design thumbnails that get clicked. That's what we'll be talking about today. Imagine you have uploaded a video. Now what? What's the next thing to do? I will tell you why thumbnails matters. Number 1, YouTube shows your video to people, but they only click if the thumbnail grabs their attention. So you see why it's very important. YouTube might show your video to me, like, but if I don't see the poster, let's just call it poster. If I don't see the poster and it doesn't catch my attention, if I see the poster and it doesn't catch my attention, I might not click on it because like I'm not interested. But if I see the poster, it catches my attention, I might want to click on it. Then your click-through rate also affects how widely YouTube pushes your video. Yes, it affects how widely YouTube pushes your video. What that means is that if people see your videos and they click on it several times and stay on it, YouTube will know that, oh, people are interested in this video. They'll start pushing it for you. Ensure that you use big, bold text because that's how you get, you appeal to the psychology of people. If your text is bold, it's just staring at them in the face, they cannot resist, and use good colors. Always ensure you use close-up faces with strong emotions. Your thumbnails, if you notice on people's thumbnails, the way they do their faces, some like, I just did this, I just did that. There's this facial expression. Use all of those things. Use contrast, dark text, bright colors, all of these things will help you. And don't repeat the exact video title on your thumbnail. Always add a curiosity gap or a question when making text on your thumbnails. And tools that you can use. If you know that I have mentioned Canva for the longest time in the course of this course, raise your hands up. Canva is a free tool that you can use. It has like pretty good free templates. You don't need to pay for the subscription if you don't have the money. But if you have the money, please do. Second is remove.bg. Remove.bg, you need it because if you're using the free Canva version, you're not going to be able to remove backgrounds of your images or your videos. So you need to use that. Then Photopea is just an alternative for Photoshop. If you're someone who knows how to design using Photoshop, then Photopea will just be a walk in the park for you. But personally, I just use Canva. I mean, no stress. Your thumbnail is your first impression. Always make it count. Since I started using thumbnails on my video, I personally saw the growth. I saw how good it made my videos look. So with this, we have come to the end of today's class. I'll be showing you a few practical tips on making your first YouTube thumbnail in this video. Remember, in other videos, I haven't been doing much of editing. I simply just give you the video. That's because I don't want to run faster than my shadow and I don't want you to get confused. Maybe if I had done a thumbnail for those videos, you probably would be asking me, how did you do it? How did you do it? So just wait. If you're in week 7 with me, you would know exactly how I did the thumbnail. We'll be creating a thumbnail for this week's video. I'll be putting it on the video, you will see it, and I'll show you step by step on how you too can create your own thumbnail. Alright guys, welcome to this segment. So just locate the Canva app on your phone after you've downloaded it and then open it up. Here are just a few designs that I have done before. I'm just going to be showing you an example. Look at the design, it's so cute, right? Anyway, so let's get to the home page. When we get to the home page, we're going to search YouTube thumbnail to get the templates that we can use to design our Canva. Look at arrays of templates that are available that you can use. I'm eyeing the first one. Let's go down and see what we have. So we have like different kinds of templates that you can actually choose from. Just select, feel free to take your time to select. But as you can see, most of these templates have like pro on them. That means that you can't access these ones except you're using the pro version. I am using the pro version and that's why I'm able to access all of this. But you choose the one that does not have the pro logo on it. That one is free, then use that one. But for this particular video, I'm going to be using the first one, this design that has this male this man in front of it. I'll use it. It's a pro feature, but I can use it because I'm using the pro version of Canva. So let's open this design. Now this design has like, I love it because it's a bit catchy, it's attention grabbing. Yeah, that's why I like it, and that's why I'm going to be using this particular one. So head over to your gallery and pick the photo that you want to use. I don't have a photo, I'm just going to screenshot from my video and use it. Now that we have a screenshot, you just go ahead and crop the screenshot of the video you did and make it a photo. Save it to your gallery and then head over back to the Canva app. Now we're going to replace this guy's photo with my photo. Yeah. So we're going to replace that. You might want to do some enhancement in your photo by removing the background. I can do that because I'm using the Pro feature. So after removing the background, you do some adjustments, and until you're very satisfied with how the outcome of the video, that's only when you would stop. I'm just trying to adjust this thing and see where fits more. I think like the way it was before, that's better. So I'm adjusting the background, that's the main background of the thumbnail, to green because I'm wearing, my outfit has like different colors. So the first color that came with it, which was red, is kind of like, contrasting. So I'm just going to use that green and fix myself on the green background and see how it looks. Well, I think this looks better. It looks better because the background is separated from myself, and you can literally see that we are not together. So the next thing you want to do is to edit the text. We are talking about how to design a thumbnail that is clickable, or a thumbnail that clicks, so that's what I'm going to be putting as the text on this video. So just go ahead and edit it, how to design a thumbnail that gets clicked. Yeah. So adjust it and ensure that you are adjusting properly. Just replace everything you have there to what you want, exactly what you want and how you want it. That's just how to go about it. It's very simple, easy, and something you can just walk through. You don't have to do too much, or you don't have to stress too much about it. So I'll just change this text and put in the text that I want there. After changing the text, I'm going to adjust it as much as I want. Maybe make it bolder, you know, edit the color, but I think I'm just going to maintain the black because it looks good. So now that we're done with all these adjustments, we'll just go ahead and save our thumbnail, and that's it. Save it and then put it when you're uploading your video on YouTube. With that, I want to say congratulations. You have successfully made it to week 7 on the YouTube Money Made Easy journey, our 90-day journey into getting monetized on YouTube as a beginner. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in week 8. Don't forget to carry out your action tasks. It will be provided in the Telegram support group. Carry out your action tasks and post you know, your how you went about it in the same group. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.